So how many people do you know want to be happy? Silly question. But here's a bigger question. Why are so many of us unhappy? The same is true about earning a living. Most people work but are not fulfilled. It's like a rinse and repeat cycle that we just accept as reality. Imagine if it didn't have to be that way, personally or professionally. If you hang with me for a couple of minutes, I will reveal some of the smartest way to get passive online income. And I will also share with you what I did to replace my job income within 24 months. My name is Erika and I work as an online business ideas coach. In this video, I will share with you a few of the best ways to start earning money on the internet. And the best part is, even if you don't have any previous experience or technical knowledge. I know I didn't when I first got started a few years ago. In fact, I was just recovering from being burnt out from my previous career as a manager, and I knew I had to find a new way to support myself without going into the same trap I had just escaped from. Working long days and spent almost all my time away from my family. I have always known that the only way to get out from this endless rat race was to start my own business. And for me at least, it was clear that the internet was the future, but I did not know what to sell online. I didn't even have a clue on where to begin searching. I already attempted an online business before, but it didn't work. I know that doesn't give you a lot of motivation, but I share this because I didn't know how to market my products. So, lesson learned. Then I found this ad from another Swedish guy, Martin. He told me about an education that would guide me through the whole journey from the very beginning of finding a solid business idea and the right product or service to sell, to set up all the systems in a clever way to automate as much as possible. That way, I would be able to earn money even when I was not in front of the computer myself all the time. Okay, I committed earlier to reveal a few of the most successful online business ideas right now. So here it comes. Number one, of course, you can import and sell physical products on the internet, for example on Amazon or eBay. But did you know that there is a way to do this without even having to touch the products yourself? Amazon has a service where you can get help with storage, packing and shipping, and they take care of the important customer service as well. Stay tuned and I will give you a resource where you can learn more about this. Number two, building your own website around your interest or hobby and drive traffic to it. With today's technology, it has never been easier to set up a new website. Actually, with the system I use, it can be done within less than an hour. But you will not earn money just having a website. The trick is to know how to get traffic and use some clever ways to get paid for that traffic. I'll also get back to this in a couple of minutes, or you can just click the link below here and you will get a resource to learn more. Number three, online courses and trainings. This market are growing like crazy right now. If you have knowledge in any area of your life, maybe some skills you have from your current job, or if you have a special hobby, you can use that knowledge and sell it by creating your very own online course. This is a great way of creating passive income and make money around the clock without you needing to be physically there in front of the screen. Everything can be recorded and automated to give you maximal time freedom. Number four, Affiliate marketing. You hear about it everywhere, but what does it really mean? This is what I do for a living, and it means that I promote other companies' products or services, and I earn commissions from all the new customers they get. To explain it, I sometimes use the analogy of an insurance broker. They help people to find the best insurance for their specific needs, and then they get paid from the insurance company. You can be an affiliate for almost every type of products now. You can sell traveling, books, cars, or educations. If you want to earn the big bucks, you will need to find a company that have what we call a high-ticket affiliate program. Then you can actually have commissions of thousands and thousands of US dollars from only one sale. Of course, you will need some training and guidance to learn this properly, but I promise you, it's a well-spent time to learn. Because when you understand how to market, you can sell whatever you want for all future. If you're curious and want to learn more, I will happily share with you trainings for free. All I need is your email address. I'll share a link below this video. After signing up, you will be qualified to a webinar where you can learn exactly how to earn your revenues online and get to know more in detail how you can find the best products for you to start selling. You will also receive a training series in your email where you will learn about the different type of online businesses that are the most successful right now. I look forward to talking to you soon.